Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I drew this skull and give you some quick tips on how to easily make your drawings more realistic. I started with an outline and basic shapes, making sure that all the elements are there and in the correct place, as this will give you a really good foundation for a realistic drawing. I'm using a 2H pencil for the initial base layer of shading. Then I'm using a blending stump to smooth out the pencil marks and soften the edges. You don't want the outline to show through to your finished work, so now is a good time to get rid of any harsh lines that can take away from the realism that you're trying to create. So the process I'm using is basically add a layer of graphite, blend and repeat. This will give a natural feeling of depth to your drawing, but be careful that you don't end up in a vicious cycle of putting down a layer of graphite and completely blending it away again and again. Remember, the blending tool is just a quick way to achieve a gradient from dark to light, so you don't want to use it on the darkest or the lightest areas of each layer. You can also use the blending stump to create subtle shadows, and you might notice that I'm taking some graphite from the mid-tones and using it to